In a world driven by technological advancements, the concept of AI companions is no longer science fiction. These intelligent entities are designed to provide emotional support, companionship, and even assistance in daily tasks. But the question remains: can AI companions truly replace human relationships and connections? As we navigate the complexities of human emotions and empathy, the role of AI in our lives continues to evolve. Imagine a future where AI companions learn from our behavior and adapt to our needs, blurring the lines between man and machine. While the idea of AI companions replacing humans may seem far-fetched, the rapid pace of technological innovation raises intriguing possibilities. Will we one day form deep emotional bonds with artificial beings, or will the essence of human connection remain irreplaceable? As we ponder these profound questions, it's essential to consider the ethical and societal implications of AI companionship. The future holds both promises and challenges as we navigate the uncharted territory of human-robot relationships. Join us on this thought-provoking journey into the future of AI companions and the potential impact on our lives. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.